Maybe I get hit. I don't know. Hit. Oh, that shot. Bro, ah, hit. Oh, hit. Bro, why is it always me? Hit. Hit, bro. Oh my god. Hit him. Got him.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing at R&M Paintball and Airsoft on their secondary field. Unfortunately I didn't get too much footage, but I hope you still enjoy it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Hit. How did that not hit him? I got the ghillie. I think I got him. I don't even see anybody. Oh, oh, they were over there. All right. Oh, oh, that hurt. So they should be farther back still. Oh shit, that was freaking close. He's out now. I don't want to push up too far on him. Hit. Bro, I always get killed by a stray BB. Oh my god. Got him. Oh, there. He called it finally. Oh shit. That's epic. Oh shit. Reverse cam down, putting in my pocket. Got him. Nice try. Hit. Nice shot.
I attempt to make one last final push for my team.
Oh my god, he wouldn't shoot!
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more content similar to this, please consider subscribing. It'll help me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next one.